Hello viewers, this is me from the Netflix YouTube channel. Just the last day after my update the Pixel 6 phone, I cannot make any call and I cannot receive any incoming call from my Pixel phone. So this is the main problem because I very much feeling disappointed to using the Google Pixel 6. So now I'm going to show you how to solve this problem. So basically this is happening after update and there is a bug problem inside the update. So just this is the solution. Please check. Go into the settings menu and then going to the network or internet settings menu and going to your SIMs options and then going to the preferred network type. So I already select the 3G settings, but last day my phone is selected the 4G LTE, that means 4G, so that's why the problem is occurring. So now I'm going to change the network type to 3G and back. Now the problem is solved, so I make any call and you can make any call no problem, and you can receive also the incoming call no problems. So the problem is solved. You can fix the problem if you're having this similar types of the difficulties like me. So this is all about, and if this video helpful, please like and share this video with your friends, and please subscribe to the channel for the next realistic problems. So okay, bye bye.